From the 3-course meal na in-upload ko last week, itong coconut kinilaw talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko. You just need to put in a bit more effort, pero for me, sobrang worth the extra steps naman. Let's go! Cut your mango into small cubes para sa garnish later, along with diced tomatoes and finely chopped red chilies. Season with salt, mix, and keep mo muna sa fridge. Then proceed na tayo sa coconut sauce. In a pot, combine 1/2 cup of coconut cream and 1/4 cup of all-purpose cream. Season with fish sauce, salt, and sugar. Add chopped red chilies kung gusto mo maanghang, grated ginger, and lemon juice. Check mo din kung okay na sa panlasa mo and adjust to your liking. Simmer on low heat for 3 to 5 minutes and set aside to cool down. Para naman sa tuna brine, combine chopped red onions, more red chilies, vinegar, salt, and sugar. Now you can totally skip this part and bili na lang kayo ng tuna yung naka-steak cut na or slice na para di ka na magbabala. Mas prefer ko lang yung chunkier cuts, but do note na mas matagal siya maluluto, so ikaw na bahala kung ano mas okay for you. Yan, tapos mix lang yung tuna with the brine, making sure na mako-cover talaga lahat ng tuna. Set aside ulit para maluto. Leave them alone for around 20